Hey everyone, before we begin, here are the 10 phrases we will cover today. Alex here.
And Emma here. Let's go quick. 1. Could you please tell me where the check-in counter is?
2. I have a connecting flight. Do I need to recheck my bags?
3. Where's the gate for flight number?
4. Could I have a window seat, please?
5. Is my baggage within the weight limit?
6. What time does boarding start?
7. Excuse me, where's the restroom?
8. I need help. My passport is lost.
9. Does this flight serve a meal?
And 10. Thank you. Have a good day.
Now let's jump into the episode.
Hello and welcome to Knowvera English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Alex, are you ready to travel?
Oh, I'm always ready, Emma. But first, if you're new here, please subscribe to Knowvera English. Hit that button. We make learning English super easy.
Yes, and today is for anyone who feels nervous at an airport. Big buildings, loud noises, many signs.
And people running with suitcases. It's chaos.
But with these 10 phrases, you will feel much better. Let's start with phrase 1.
Phrase 1. Could you please tell me where the check-in counter is? Emma, why is this important?
Because when you arrive at the airport, you need to check in first. If you can't find the right counter, just ask.
Exactly. You might also say, "Excuse me, where do I check in for Air France?" Simple.
Yeah, don't just stand there looking lost. I did that once. Alex, you should have seen me.
Just turning in circles?
Yes, so learn from Emma. Ask nicely.
Okay, phrase 2. I have a connecting flight. Do I need to recheck my bags?
Oh, this is very common. You fly from London to New York, then to Boston. Your bags? Do they go all the way?
Right. If you don't ask, you might leave the airport and lose your bags. Not good.
So say, I have a connecting flight. Do I need to recheck my bags? The worker will say yes or no. Easy.
Phrase 3. Where is the gate for flight number? You fill in the number.
Yes. For example, where's the gate for flight BA 207? Gates can change, so always check.
And if you don't understand the answer, you can say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" No problem.
Or you can just follow the crowd, but asking is better.
Phrase 4. Could I have a window seat, please? Emma, window or aisle?
Window. I love looking outside. But some people want aisle so they can stand up easily.
So you can also say, "Could I have an aisle seat, please?" Both work.
And if they say no, you can say, "That's okay, thank you anyway." Polite.
Phrase 5. Is my baggage within the weight limit? This is very important.
Oh yes, if your bag is too heavy, you have to pay extra money, sometimes a lot.
I once paid $50 because my bag was 2 kilos over. Never again.
So before they weigh it, ask, is my baggage within the weight limit? Or ask, what is the weight limit?
Good. Now, phrase 6. What time does boarding start?
Boarding means when you get on the plane. Sometimes it starts 1 hour before takeoff, sometimes 30 minutes.
If you don't know, you might be late and they will close the gate. Then you have to run.
Running in an airport is never fun, so just ask, what time does boarding start? Then check the screen too.
Phrase 7. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Emma, we all need this.
Yes, very important. After a long flight or before boarding, just say, "Excuse me, where's the restroom?"
In some countries, they say toilet or bathroom, but restroom works everywhere.
And if you are inside the plane, you can ask a flight attendant, "Where's the restroom?" They'll point.
Phrase 8 is a serious one. I need help. My passport is lost.
Oh no, that is scary, but it happens. Don't panic.
Find an airport worker or a police officer. Say, "I need help. My passport is lost." They will take you to the right place.
You can also say, "I can't find my passport." Simple. And always keep a copy on your phone just in case.
Or keep it in a safe pocket, not in the back pocket.
Alex learned that the hard way?
Let's not talk about it.
Okay. Phrase 9. Does this flight serve a meal?
Some flights have food. Some only give a small snack. Some have nothing. Then you sit there hungry.
So ask before you board, or you can buy food at the airport, but asking is free.
You can also say, will there be food on the plane? Both are fine.
And phrase 10. Thank you, have a good day. Very simple, but very powerful.
Yes, always be polite. After someone helps you, a ticket agent, a security guard, anyone, say thank you, have a good day.
It makes people smile, and maybe they help you more next time.
Okay, let's do a quick review together. Emma, I'll say the number, you say the phrase.
Let's do it.
1,
Could you please tell me where the check-in counter is?
2,
I have a connecting flight. Do I need to recheck my bags?
3,
Where's the gate for flight number?
4,
Could I have a window seat, please?
5,
Is my baggage within the weight limit?
6,
What time does boarding start?
7,
Excuse me, where's the restroom?
8,
I need help. My passport is lost.
9,
Does this flight serve a meal?
and 10.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Perfect. Emma, you are a star.
I know, Alex. I know.
So listen, if you have a trip coming up, practice these phrases. Write them down and say them out loud at home.
Yes, and don't be shy. Most airport workers are very kind. They see scared travelers every day.
Exactly. Now, before we go, please subscribe to Knowvera English. Hit that button, share with a friend who loves to travel.
Or a friend who gets lost at airports.
Hey, that's me, but now I'm better, thanks to Emma.
And thanks to Knowvera English.
We'll see you in the next episode. Safe travels, everyone.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.